Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Children, today we are going to study about places around us, about neighbor, what is neighbor, what is neighborhood. You will get to know about all these things. Look at this girl. She is Ria. It is her house. And she is Sia. She is Ria's neighbor. They both are neighbors because their houses are together. Look, one house, house two. So they both are neighbor. Now Ria is saying, in my neighborhood there is a school. Look, everything is in Ria's neighborhood. Neighborhood means near the house, the places which are around the house, nearby, walking distance or at little bit distance. So in near the Ria's house, Sia's house is there. They both are neighbors, but in their neighborhood so many places are there. So first we will get to know about school. School is the place which is near Ria's house. Next is hospital, police station, bank, fire station. In this side, library. So these all places are in the neighborhood of Ria. In the neighborhood means nearby area. Look at this picture. It is in your book. It is Ria's house and it is Sia's house. Then hospital and departmental stores are in their neighborhood. Some people have a market in their neighborhood. Some people have fire station in their neighborhood. So what we speak about neighborhood, you understand now that neighbors are the nearby house and neighborhood are the places. Neighborhood has places like hospital, schools, bank. Okay, the next thing which come in this chapter is school. School where we go daily for study. Here our teachers help us so much. And next is bank. In their neighborhood, bank is there. So in bank, what we do in bank, see in this picture. Mother of Ria is here. She is giving money to the cashier. These three people are cashier. Counter number 1, counter number 2 and counter number 3. If we want cash, then we also go to the bank, and if we want to deposit the money, if we are having enough money at home, then we will go to deposit the money. Then they will take our money and keep safe in their lockers. Okay, it is ATM machine. Whenever we want cash, then we can go to bank and we can go to ATM also. ATM you all are aware about. If you are not aware, tell to your papa. He will take you to the ATM or bank visit. Next is library. This is the scene of library. Here are so many books in the racks. One librarian is there. He is or she is also a teacher. Whatever books you want, for example, if you want to study English, then she will provide you English book. If you want to study Hindi, Punjabi, whatever books you want to read, whatever magazines, whatever comics, etc., any story books, then she will give you that kind of books. These racks are there and she will give you whatever books you want. The largest library in India is in Kolkata, that is known as National Library of India. Next is police station. Whenever there is theft in our house or something wrong in our house or anywhere else, then we immediately call to police, and then police come and understand what the matter is. Then he caught the thief and he go to and catch the thief. Look, this is thief, this is policeman, police inspector. So it is the scene of police station. It is policeman's uniform. Okay, next is fire station. If we will get fire at our home, then whom we will call? We will immediately call to fireman. He will come with his water pipe and he will put off the fire. His van is red color because fire is also of red color. His siren is very loud so that everybody get to know that fireman is coming with his fire engine. Next is places of worship. If you are a Hindu, either we are Indians, but we can go anywhere to worship the God. But especially Hindu people go to temple. It is temple. You all are aware about temple. Like this, these structures are of temple. This is Gurdwara. You all are aware about Amritsar Gurdwara. It is very big and well known Gurdwara of Punjab. So it is like that water is there surrounding the temple and Gurdwara, and there is every time there is langar going on. So kirtan is going on, path is going on. It is church. On church it is the sign of cross. It is the sign of cross and it is known as church. This building is known as church. Christian people go to church for worship the God. It is mosque. It is generally of green color. These long buildings are there and this round shape is always there at mosque. Muslim people, especially on Eid, they go to mosque. And Sikh community people go to Gurdwara. So now I think you all get to know about all things, each and everything of this chapter. Okay students?